Hello guys, welcome to the final round ST. So in the last video we learned about what Singleton Design Pattern is. That is, it only allows creation of a single instance per application. Correct? In last video we also learned how to create a Singleton class. Let's revisit it. So what we can do is we can create a variable instance which is private and static. We also set the constructor to private so that no other classes can use it to create its own object. Whereas in the getInstance method is where all the magic happens. That it first check if the instance is null or not. If it gets the instance null, then only it creates a new singleton object. Whereas if the instance is already created, it will return and reuse the existing instance. So what happens over here? How do we call it? We call it using singleton.getInstance, correct? Using singleton.getInstance, whenever we are calling it, then only it is creating a new instance, correct? So the instance is created only when it is required. This is what a lazy loading is. It doesn't create it beforehand. It only creates it when we call it. However, is this particular version thread safe? I don't think so. Let's assume we have two threads, thread 1 and thread 2, and both are hitting getInstance method at the same time. So both of them have instance null as of now, correct? And both of them would be creating their own singleton object, which is a violation of singleton design principle, isn't it? In order to make it thread safe, we can make the method synchronized, but that would be an expensive operation. Instead, what we can also do is we can try eager loading here. What happens is eager loading is the object is created as soon as the class is loaded. How are we doing it? Is we are creating the object for the variable singleton. So here in the class load time, in static variable, the object is created. Do we need to create it again? No. What the getInstance will do, it will return the already created instance. And then, will it be safe to run it? Let's see, it's compiled. Compilation takes a bit of time. Java, call singleton. True. So what we have now is we have the object is created when the class is loaded. We do not have to ask for the object creation. We are just getting the instance that is already created. This makes it thread safe as well. This is the difference between lazy and eager loading. Lazy is object getting created when you call the getInstance method. While in eager loading, the object is already created when the class is loaded. However, the getInstance is only reusing that particular object and returning it to us. Thank you.